This is a step-by-step video on how to transfer your TON from Binance to Telegram wallet. Just head over to your Binance. Once you are here, click on wallet. Once you come here, you must already have your TON on the spot account. If you don't have it on the spot account, just transfer it over to your spot account using this transfer button option right here. Now, I already have my TON here. I just need to go to my Telegram wallet so I can copy the address. Let's go to Telegram wallet. Now this is my Telegram wallet. If you don't know how to get here, just log in on your Telegram. You click on the menu bar. You see the option of wallet. Click on it. You find yourself here. As you can see, I have no money on my Telegram wallet. Now I have to look for TON. In this case, here is TON right here. You click on it. Once you click on it, you click on receive because I want to send our TON from Binance to Telegram wallet. Click on OK. I have to click on copy address. I have to go back to Binance. Once I'm on Binance, I click on withdraw. Remember, we're withdrawing TON. I select TON. Now these are the two options you can actually withdraw in Binance. There is a network option and there is a send via email or phone number. Send via email or phone number means if you are sending to someone using Binance. But we want to send it to Telegram wallet, so we'll use the option of send via crypto network. Click on it. Now this is where we paste our address that we copied from Telegram wallet. Now this is the network. By default, it will be TON network. Now this is the option of memo. Let's go back to Telegram wallet to see if there is memo option so we can copy it and send our TON from Binance to Telegram wallet. So we are back on Telegram wallet. As you can see the wallet right here, there is no option of using a tag. So we have to send the cryptocurrency from Binance to Telegram. So we don't need to put on tags. So let's go back to Binance. Now we'll leave the option of tag open because some platform might request it, some platform might not request it. So in this case, we're leaving it blank. Now this is where we put in the amount of TON we want to transfer. Click on max. Once you do that, you click on withdraw. Now this is where you have to confirm that you want to continue withdrawing the funds without putting in your memo. So click on submit. And you click on confirm. Now this is where we have to put in verification process so we can actually do our withdrawal. Now it could be different depending on the security you set up on your Binance. So let me go to my Google Play Store and copy the code and paste it here so we can actually wait for the next thing. I just copy the code, I paste it here. You can see withdrawal processing. I just have to give you a few minutes, between 2 to 5 minutes. My cryptocurrency should have arrived on my Telegram wallet. This is the withdrawal details of the TON. You can actually see every withdrawal details. So let's go to Telegram wallet to see if we have received this. So this is Telegram wallet right here. You can see $49. You click on TON, you actually see I've actually received about 9.5 TON. Now this is how simple on how you can send your TON from Binance all the way to Telegram wallet. If you got value, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification.